Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and how you can maximize your experience with the MEXC platform. If you're looking to dive into crypto or enhance your trading strategy, this video is for you. Let's start by discussing the MEXC promo code, a fantastic opportunity for both seasoned traders and newcomers. By using the promo code 12K4M5 when you create your account, you unlock exclusive benefits that can significantly enhance your trading journey. Imagine starting your crypto adventure with extra advantages, which is exactly what this promo code offers. The MEXC exchange is known for its user-friendly interface and a wide array of cryptocurrencies available for trading. By utilizing the MEXC promo code, you gain access to promotional rewards, discounted trading fees, and even potential bonuses on your initial deposits. This means more savings in your pocket to invest in your favorite digital assets. One of the key benefits of MEXC is its robust trading features. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures, or margin trading, MEXC covers it all. By using the exclusive referral code 12K4M5, you will not only improve your trading experience, but also become part of a vibrant community of traders. It's a win-win. Furthermore, MEXC offers a highly secure platform, ensuring your funds are protected while you trade. They implement advanced security measures, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the often volatile crypto markets. With the MEXC promo code, you can trade confidently, knowing that you're getting the best possible deal right from the start. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Head over to the MEXC platform, create your account, and enter the referral code 12K4M5 to start reaping the rewards. Whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a multitude of alternative coins, the benefits waiting for you are incredible. Join countless other successful traders who have taken the plunge and are reaping the benefits today. Take action now and let the MEXC promo code power up your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips, guides, and the latest in the crypto world. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.